Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really strange looking cartoon dog. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this creepy looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to start out with his eyes first, and it's going to be kind of at a slant, so we're going to draw two lines like this first. Let's draw it at a slant. And then from here we're going to draw in the eyeball. So we're going to go this side first, just curve out, come down, and then just close it off. Okay, so I know it looks a little bit strange right now. So let's draw in the other one. This one's gonna come down. And the eyeball is a little bit kind of, very wobbly shaped. Alright, so that's gonna be the shape of the eyes. And now to finish up the eyeball, just draw in a little egg shape inside. And then I'll just shade it in. Alright, so those are his eyes, and now let's finish up the head. And the head is very strangely shaped, so we're going to draw in a little bracket around this eye first. And then from here we're going to draw in one of his ears. Just come to this side, just come out, round it up. And then once you have this, now we're going to draw in the top of the head. So just draw one slant just right over the eyes. And then from here we're going to draw in the other ear. And this one's going to be a little bit longer, so just come all the way down. Just round it up, come back up. And then just draw a slight bracket like this, just to finish up the top part of the head. Alright, so once you have this, let's go ahead and finish up the snout and the rest of the face. So from this point here, just go all the way out. And then from here, we're going to continue on the bottom right here. Continue the curve. So stop right around here. So this is gonna be the lower jaw. Okay, so let's come back up here. We're gonna turn in. Just kind of go back up. And then this part here will go up. Now whatever space you have here, just round it out. Yeah, very strange looking. Alright, and then let's just add one line here for the nose. And then now for the teeth, and this part's a little bit easier. So we're just gonna draw one line in here, just close it off. And then in the center, just add one line. And then for the individual teeth up here, just draw these little curves first. And then once you have those, we'll join the lines, just come straight down. And then on these little points here, we'll just draw these curves and connect them. So it's pretty much the same as the top. Okay, so that's the head, and the body is really strange, but it's really easy as well. So we're gonna start here on the neck, right underneath right here. Just draw two lines coming down on the shoulders. Just slant out, and we're gonna give him this strange looking pose right here. We're gonna come down here. That's gonna be his armpit. Just pinch it in first. And then now let's draw in his arms. Okay, so just come down. So here's the elbow. For the lower arm, we're just gonna continue it, just make it a little bit skinnier. And then it doesn't look like he has any fingers, right? I couldn't find any, the references online is a little bit different for each one. So I'm gonna draw like this without the fingers. On this side, we just slant it down a little bit more. And if you want to give them different poses, that's okay too, because you can draw them any way you like. Since it's pretty much just a tube anyways. Okay, so those are his arms, and then now for the legs, I'm going to slant out on this side. On this side, come almost straight down. So that's going to be the hip. And then now for the leg, just draw one line across. And then this side right here, just come down. So we're gonna have his leg come across here. So that's his knee right here. So we'll continue down for the lower leg. And again, it's pretty much just a tube. Close it off. And it's got some detail here. It almost looks like a glove. On the bottom right here, just curve out. On the top, just come down first. And then right here, just round it up. And then add one line in here, just one little curve, so it'll make it look like little fingers. And then on the top here, just close this off. Alright, and then now for the other leg, I'm going to start right here, come down. Just curve down right around here. Come up here, come down. And then here's his knee. We'll just come across straight. Close it off. And then this side here, just continue out. Just kind of round it back up. And then let's add a little bump right here. And then one little curve here for the other fingers or the other toe. Alright, so that is it for this cartoon dog. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.